Okay. So as part of today, what we are going to do that is we are going to discuss about the how to basic part today we are going to discuss that is how to install. Okay, let me tell you as part of today what we are going to discuss is MuleSoft installation and then whatever it was required for a developer, all the softwares we are going to install today. Then we are going to discuss about the once you join an organization, what kind of steps you are going to take to complete your first job, or say preparing your system, or discussing with the remaining peers or team members, like that, such kind of things. Okay, then now what are the softwares which we need to install? So once you join an organization very first time, okay, if that organization is very small or very big or the medium scale organizations, the organization to organization, the very first day will be differs. Okay, for example, if you join very small scale organization, it's a 100 employee company. Okay, at that time you have to take the ownership on each and everything, downloading the softwares, installing it, configuring and downloading the code and make it ready. Everything in your local you have to do by yourself. Okay, so any organization, any MuleSoft project, mostly it is going to deal with any project anywhere. Okay, mostly it is going to deal with database, Salesforce, okay, FTP, and some companies they may use different Salesforces like Salesforce marketing, Salesforce custom sorry e-commerce, Salesforce. There is one more thing: Salesforce Cloud, Salesforce Marketing, Salesforce e-commerce. Sorry, it's coming in my mind, but I'm not able to. There are very few things. Okay, so in this case, what we are and also APIs. Okay, so for these things to fulfill, what you have to do is for the database you don't need. The team is going to share the database credentials with you. SFDP also same, FTP also same, and for the testing purpose of all these things, you need a client. Okay, so you need a MySQL client, or based on the database, you need to install the specific clients. So the very first point, once you join an organization, you are going to have a discussion with your manager, okay, or your architect, okay, or somebody else, or some your team member or somebody else. So what you have to ask is, so what we need to install? Is there anyone to configure our system or not? Okay, if anyone says, okay, there is some administration guy is there, he will prepare entire your system, then you can sit ideal. Okay, if nobody is there, then what you have to do is you have to download the MuleSoft Studio, okay, and install on your machine. Okay, MuleSoft Studio. Okay, for the training purpose, okay, we are going to install the database. Okay, and Postman is not only the training purpose, any kind of API testing tools, any kind of API. Postman is kind of a API testing tool. Okay, so either you can use the Postman or API. There are a few other tools are there. Mostly people will prefer the Postman. Okay, this is not only for the training, this is also for your development as well. Okay, and the fourth one is in the API level testing. Okay, basically this is for the RESTful API. Nowadays the people are using for the SOAP based API also, but either you can use this one or you can use the SOAP UI. SOAP UI is one more tool. That one you can use the to install on your machine. Okay. Okay. So now what we are going to do that is there are 4 tools. Okay, DB and MuleSoft, and these are the very prerequisites to start our training. And going forward, I'm going to share you the few more credentials, Sitisha Bazaar website and eBay credentials, so that you can and also FTP and SFTP credentials which I have. I'm going to share with all of you so that you can get a flavor of the real-time data, how it is going to be look like. Okay, just give me a minute. Somewhere I stores my screen, but unfortunately it is not over here. Maybe I will share from my Google Drives. Okay. So now, so normally my training, how it will go is, normally I won't write any single line of code on my machine. Okay. I will take one of my students' machine to write the code or to create the projects on their machine itself. Okay. And after few days, I'm going to create a WhatsApp group. Okay. You can share the code, whatever I created on your machines with the students, or in the same Google Drive, the videos and each and everything will be shared on the same Google Drive. Okay, so that you can exchange it. Okay, this is the way. So now this is the very first session, and also everything is installed on my machine. Anyone, would you like to share your screen so that I can install this software, whatever it required for our training? So everyone is joined from the mobile. Can you please answer? Okay.
I'll share.
Okay. What's your name?
But you may not install on my laptop. I need to get the admin access, so I'll pass.
Oh.
Sorry.
Or anybody else? I can install that in your machine.
Hi, this is Dipti. Can you make me the presenter? Like, I'm not able to share otherwise.
Okay, sure. Let me make you presenter so that you can share the screen. Yeah. Yeah, you can share the screen from now onwards.
I'm still not able to share it.
Okay. Deepthi, is that you?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, sorry. I shared to somebody else.
Okay.
Give me a minute. Oh, sorry. I make you organizer.
Yes, I can share now.
Okay. So can you please open your browser and search for the MuleSoft? Are you sharing your screen? Hello. Ditya, are you there? Hello.
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. So can you open your browser? Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, we are able to.
Okay.
Can you change your mouse? Or did you join again?
Yeah, I joined again actually. I lost you.
Okay. Oh, okay. Sorry. Let me make you presenter again. Now you can share the screen. Okay. Now we are able to see your screen. Search for the open the browser and search for the MuleSoft. No, in the browser. Okay, it's fine. Yeah. Open the first link and click on the free trial. So team, this free trial is a kind of an enterprise. You don't need to worry about it. It's going to expire or it's something is wrong like that. Okay, it's a free trial means free trial, and that means it is going to be available for you to learning purpose.
Okay.
So if you want to sell the service to somebody else, that time you have to take the license, or
Okay.
whoever deploying their applications in the production environment, that time they has to take the license. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now you can go ahead and sign up each and everything. Okay. That is up to you if you want to enable it or you don't want to enable it. Save it, save it. You have to save the username and password because later point of time you are going to use the same username and password again and again and again. That's fine. Other click on the key on the top of the key. In the address bar there is a key. Yes. Click on it.
Yeah.
No, on that. Right now you just disable it. Don't do this. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, no issues. Go back. Okay, not now. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll to end. Yeah, you can see any Pointer Studio, right? So you you have to click on the download option over here. Yeah. Okay. Just choose the operating system and these minimum details. Learner or something like that. Not a owner, it's developer. Okay. Fine. Click on download.
What do I write as a job title?
Just give the developer. Yeah. Now it is downloading. It is going to take some more time. We have the very good bandwidth. Do you have a good bandwidth or?
Yeah, I have good.
That's fine. Now go to the another screen. Okay. Now go to the another screen and search for the my.
Sorry, what did you say? My. Hello. Hello.
Look like we lost him.
Oh, sorry, team. I dropped off. So can you click on the can you search for the MySQL download?
This one?
Yes. No. Wait. Can you scroll down? Can you scroll down?
Sure. This?
The first link, yes. Community server. Oh yeah, first click on the first one. Yep.
Community or MySQL community server?
Just click on the first link. I'm MySQL downloads.
Okay.
Yep. Scroll down, click on the customer, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Yeah, click on the MySQL community GPL downloads. Yes. Now click on the MySQL installer will be there. Just give me a minute. Yeah, MySQL installer for Windows. Click on this one. Okay. Now click on the second one, MSI downloader. Perfect. No, click on the no thanks, just start my download. Now go to the another tab and search for the Postman. Another tab. Another tab. New tab. New tab. This button over there. Click on the plus button. Yeah. Search for the Postman and search the links. Share the links whatever you are downloaded with the remaining team members, please, on the chat window. Yeah, Postman download. Click on the first link. Scroll down. Download the app. Yes. (64-bit). Go ahead, 64-bit. Click on the 64-bit.
Yes, I did it.
Yeah, I got it. Click on the Postman, and before going ahead, please download the Java as well, Java 1.8. Search for the Java 1.8 and share the links with the remaining team members, if you don't mind. Yeah, go ahead. First, go ahead and click on the first link, then you can share, so that all the links we can share at a time. Yeah. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down. Windows Online. Scroll up. Scroll up. Scroll up. Wait. Instructions. There should be Windows Offline. Okay. Choose the Windows Offline 64-bit. Okay. No, it's not a JRE. Can you search for the JDK? Do one thing. Click on the all Java downloads. Click on the all Java downloads. Below. There is a all Java downloads. Little bit above. Scroll up. Scroll up. Yeah. Scroll down. Which one to choose? Do one thing. Search for the JDK 1.8. JDK 1.8. Yes. Yeah. Click on the Java downloads. Scroll down. Give me a minute. Seems to be this changed the entire website. Let me share you the link. Do one thing and go back, search for the JDK 1.8 download.
Okay.
In the new tab, yeah. Yeah, search for, go back, yeah, search for JDK 1.8 download. Download, yeah. Go to the second link, scroll down, yeah. Yeah, that one, this one, java.com or something like that. Let me share you the link, maybe it's best for you. Okay, I'm sharing a link on the chat window. If you're able to see, please let me know. Can you go to your chat window and click on the link? No, go to the chat window and click on the link.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, this is the same one which is open. Scroll down.
Yeah.
Scroll down. Choose the Windows 64-bit x64.
This one?
Yes. 1 minute. 1 minute. Windows product. So now it's a lot of things on my screen, but here you are able to see very few. Are you sure? Okay. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah. Scroll down. Yeah, this one. This one.
The
No. Last one. The last one. Yes. Yeah. Click on the checkbox. Yes. Click on the download. Yes. Click an account.
Do I need to create one? I don't have an Oracle account.
Yeah, you have to create the account. Yes, you have to create the account. Don't give your original phone numbers or nothing. Okay. Just give the
Okay.
dummy details.
Okay.
Click on save. Okay. You will receive a verification email. Can you go to your email and check it?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's done.
Okay. Go to the downloader again. The page. No. The yeah. Same link or change it? I think you are the different. Okay. Just start download again. In the previous screen, yeah. Go to the just refresh the screen. Refresh. Okay. I think you need to log in now. So yeah, now you can log in over here. So you can ask me the question, why we need to use all the Java? Okay. The MuleSoft, the software, whatever you are using, it is developed on top of Java. Without that, it won't execute. But recently it has changed. Without Java also, you can run your MuleSoft Studio. But what is the type of the version which you are using, it will depends. Okay, so that's why, as per a prerequisite, I'm downloading this one. Okay, so now let's go and Deepti, can you share all the links with the remaining team members?
Yeah, sure. You want me to share it now or later?
Yeah, you can share it now so that everyone will have a definition.
Okay.
I hope everyone is installing the softwares on your machines, right? As simultaneously, is that right? Are you facing any challenges? Anyone? Anyone is facing challenges? Could you please speak out? Can I assume you don't have any issues? Okay, team. Now let's go and install all these softwares, whatever we downloaded. Okay. Is it everything is done, Titi?
Yeah, I have shared everything and these are all downloaded. Can I just install them now?
Yeah, please go ahead. Now we are installing the MySQL.
Yeah.
Okay, this is for the training purpose, team. Okay, this is purely for the training purpose. In the real time, it may be database, could be Oracle, or maybe MS SQL or DB2, or it could be anything. Okay, so they are going to share you the credentials. Based on the credentials, you have to connect to specific database, and you need to pull out the data, or you need to publish the data into the database. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, install the Postman as well. For security reason, it is asking for your acceptance. So can you click on yes or something like that? Okay, it's done. Okay. Wait. Can you open your SQL window?
Yeah. Next.
Okay. Now on the full version. Click on the full. No. Click on the full.
Yeah.
The full version. Yes.
Okay.
Is the radio button.
This I need to select all.
You have to choose. Click on next. Again next. Or execute. Sorry. Click on the execute. In the below there is execute button. Execute. Click on no. Click on the into button. Click on the into button. Click on the into button. Into button. Yeah, execute now. Yes. Click on the execute. Yes, that's the same one. Yes. Yeah. Now open your Postman and let's configure the Postman as well.
Okay. I just agree to this, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You can.
This is done. And now I
Go
just
ahead,
click on
go
next.
ahead. Yes, yes, go ahead. Just click on yes.
Yes.
Click
Now
on
go
execute. Yeah.
this do I have to update
Dismiss.
or dismiss?
On the dismiss.
Dismiss. Okay.
No, you can later you can do that. On the dismiss, yes. So dismiss. Click on the dismiss.
And I just
Now
create
click on
account.
the either you can create a new account or you can, yeah. So why we need this one is so that if you create an account or if you log in with your account, whatever you have tested, everything will be stored in the cloud. Okay,
Okay.
so you don't need to forget anything. Okay, that is the reason only.
Okay.
That is up to you. Either you can skip it or you can sign in. If you want to sign in, you can use the Google Authenticator to sign in. Okay. Otherwise, if you want a fresh account for this, you can create a fresh account.
Okay.
Click on save so that you won't forget the password. Okay. Yeah, maybe later. Yeah. Click on open. So that it will open your app, Postman app, with authentication. Can you check is it opening, or you can just enter the details?
It's opening, I think.
Okay. Yeah. In the meantime, can you open your MySQL account? And in the meantime, we'll install the Notepad++ as well. Okay, so that it will be easy for all of you to edit your code or to modify or whatever it is. Okay, most of the people they will use the Notepad++. Okay, or search for the Notepad++. Yeah. And yeah, download and share this link with the remaining team members as well. And last and final one you need to install on your mission is okay, WinSCP or FileZilla. You can download it anything. Yep. The other one which you need to install is WinSCP or WinSCP or FileZilla. Anyone you can choose it. The basically WinSCP or FileZilla will be used to transferring the files from one machine to the another machine. Okay, you can use any one of these things. Okay, in the even in the real time, you are going to use this software, either WinSCP or FileZilla. Okay.
Okay.
Click on the installer. Yeah. Yeah, install for me only. Yes.
Do I do typical or custom
Done,
install?
yeah. Go ahead. No, typical.
Do I use Commander or Explorer?
Go ahead and next.
Okay.
Click on next. No, come on. Yeah.
Do I install this?
Yes, go ahead. Oh, sorry, Tom, I'm on mute. I don't know why. I think I had been in the mute. I had been giving the in the mute level itself. Now, do you have the? Is it audible my voice?
Yeah. And I think, are you trying to take the control of my laptop because it's showing me like
Is it
the
okay? Let me. You can take it back. You can take it back. Just let me give you. Let me disconnect. I don't know how to disconnect from you. This is, let me. Okay. I don't know how to take it back. Okay, let me try for another account. No, it's not possible to take it back. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, so so from how long onwards you are not able to hear my voice, team? Anyone?
I think last 5 minutes, like after I downloaded everything and I asked you like what to do next.
Okay.
So like the
Uh,
when I downloaded it and then after that I asked you what to do. So I don't know after that. Like we could not hear you for 5 minutes, I think 5-7 minutes.
oh, okay, it went mute. Sorry, I think so. Okay, let me tell you a few things what we are going to discuss on tomorrow. So we are going to take the one requirement and we are going to analyze it and we are going to complete that requirement. Okay. So before we are going ahead, we need to understand few things. Okay. So in organizations, how the requirement will be assigned to you. Okay. So tasks or work, whatever you can call it. Okay. The very first thing is the work will be assigned multiple ways. Okay. Either verbally, some people they may discuss and they may assign to you. Okay. Some people they may send an email notification, email, and you need to work on it. Okay. Some people they may follow the Jiras. Okay. Can you go to your browser, Deepti, can you search for the Jira tasks? Jira tasks. Yeah. Can you click on the images?
Sure.
So you can see the task is going to be look like the fourth item in the top two. Yeah, fourth one. Yes. The task is going to be look like that way. Okay. So you cannot see. You have to maximize that image only. But yeah, this way. Okay. The description, the assigner, and anything, whatever it was there, it will be look like that way. Okay. So these are the three ways the tasks or the work will be assigned to you. Once it is assigned, if you have a clear idea of what needs to be done, you will implement it. If you need any clarifications, whoever assigned this Jira ticket to you, you have to contact them for the clarifications. Okay, this is the second thing. Okay, so now you got the task and which is assigned to you, and we are going to work.
So your voice is cracking.
Oh, just let me change to my Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Is it now clear?
Yeah, it's better now. Yeah.
Mean is now everything is available for you, whatever you need, like softwares you already installed based on the discussion with your colleague. Okay, now the task is the work is assigned to you based on the discussions with your manager, with your architect, or with your BA. Okay, the tasks mostly will be assigned by the business analyst. Okay, so now just remember that business analyst. Okay, so he has the direct interaction with the client, or you may going to contact the client and you are going to bring some work for you. Okay, so this is the normal ways. So it doesn't matter how the work is going to come to your plate. There are multiple ways. Okay, once it is assigned, then we are going to discuss tomorrow. Now the task is tomorrow's task is there is a user from the front end. Okay, there is a HTML page or like Google sign up form. So any user, if click on the sign up button, now you have done the multiple account creation, right? The data need to be stored into the database. This is your requirement.
Okay.
Okay, so tomorrow's task is this is the one. So we are going to analyze what need to be done, and we can complete this task tomorrow itself. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all for today, team. Anyone has any other questions? I'm very much happy to discuss.
No, I'm good.
Anybody else? Chandra, Chaitanya, Nasma, Monica.
Yep, I'm good too.
Okay, so I think Visual Path team requesting all of you for the details. If you are from the Visual Path, whoever reached to you, or from any other institute, if you are from any other institute, just don't reply to them. Otherwise, if you are from the Visual Path, if you know contact details, just share with them. Okay, if you do not know whom you have to contact. Okay.
We got one question.
Yeah.
Are we going to the Endpoint Studio? Which version we are going to discuss?
We are going to deal about the 4.3
Okay.
because 4.x onwards it's a stabilized version, and most of the organization, even though they were changed from the 3.x to 4.x, the migrations are completed. Still, some 5 to 10% of the people still using because it's a free version. 3.x is a free version. That's the reason.
Got it.
Okay.
Thanks.
Anyone else? Anyone else? Guru, are you from the Anaitu Guru? Guru, are you there?
Hi.
Do you have any questions?
Yeah, so just want to know the course overview, what are the things you are covering from the MuleSoft Endpoint Studio?
I already discussed on the demo session. If you want the course curriculum, just check with the Visual Path team. Okay. Otherwise, tomorrow I will share you the course curriculum. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Just get the video from the, I mean to say, demo video.
Actually, I thought, yeah, this is the demo, so I will try to contact Visual Path and get that.
Yeah, that would be great. Okay. If you still missed out anything, just let me know. Tomorrow I will walk you through it again. Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Can we drop off, team?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you all. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye.